Alright legends, buckle up, 6 spicy new updates on the Galaxy S26 Ultra just landed, and some of this stuff is the kind of glow up you brag about in the group chat. I'll break it down step by step so you know exactly what matters and what's just marketing confetti. Step 1. Camera glow up. Ice Universe says the S26 Ultra's main camera is moving from f1.9 to f1.4, that's a 47% jump in light intake. Translation: your night photos stop looking like CCTV footage from a haunted house. Faster shutter equal sign, less blur, cleaner detail, less noise, better low light for both photos and video, and a more natural background blur without needing fake portrait mode. The 5x periscope is also getting a brighter aperture, so zoom shots won't instantly crumble after sunset. At step 2, charging that actually charges. We're going to 60 watts wired on the Ultra. On paper that looks tame next to the 100 watts monsters in the wild, but here's the twist. Optimization. The S25 Ultra does about 72% in 30 minutes. The S26 Ultra is expected to hit around 90% in the same time window according to Ice Universe. No official 0-100 yet, but with the taper at the top, figure roughly approximately 40 minutes to full. Meanwhile, some two-tier 100 watts phones take about the same half hour to hit similar percentages. Moral of the story: don't watt flex if your lap still has time to grow moss. Getting to tilde 90% in 30 minutes is the metric that actually matters. Step 3. Looks like Samsung's giving the Galaxy S26 series a little tap-to-pay turbo mode. According to ETA News, every model in the lineup is getting a brand new NFC antenna up at the top of the phone right near the forehead, while still keeping the original NFC coil next to the rear camera. Why two antennas? Simple, convenience and speed. Right now on the Galaxy S25 series, the NFC coil is down near the camera lenses, which means when you're paying or scanning something, you have to awkwardly angle the phone like you're trying to show a cashier a picture of your nudes. With a second antenna up top, tapping will feel way more natural. Just a quick boop and done. Apple's had this setup for years, but most Android brands haven't, likely because of patent roadblocks. Samsung apparently spent a considerable amount of time figuring out how to work around them, which means this wasn't a random decision, it's been in the oven for a while. Basically, your phone just got a second tap-to-pay sweet spot. Goodbye awkward checkout yoga poses. Step 4. The Skinny King S26 Edge gets thinner and beefier. The S26 Edge measures a wild 5.5mm thin, 0.3mm slimmer than last year, and somehow packs a 4200 mAh battery. That's 300 mAh more than the S25 Edge. The rumored 4400 mAh figure. Nah, 4200 mAh is the number that's been confirmed. Galaxy Club called it, and the S26 Pro jumps from 4000 to 4300 mAh. Every model gets more battery except the Ultra, which yes is a little sad considering it's the priciest one. But hey, at least it charges faster. See step 2. Step 5. Thinness wars and a drive-by on the iPhone 17 Air. Rumor mill says Apple's iPhone 17 Air, meant to square up against Samsung's Edge, could ship with a 2900 mAh battery on a 6.9-inch device. Apple is the emperor of optimization, but physics still pays rent. 2 charges a day is not a personality. After a year of that, you're basically carrying a wall-tethered tablet with notification sounds. Meanwhile, the S26 Edge is thinner, has a bigger battery, and doesn't need a babysitter. Thin is cool, dead by lunchtime is not. Thinnest phone with a tiny battery is like a sports car with a 5-liter fuel tank. It looks incredible for 11 minutes. Step 6. AI buffet. More than Gemini on the menu, Samsung execs via Bloomberg have basically confirmed they're opening the AI bar beyond Gemini and Bixby. Perplexity is expected to be tightly woven into Samsung's own apps, including the browser, and even baked into Bixby. OpenAI has been considered too. Bottom line, you'll likely get to pick your co-pilot. Choice is good, options make your phone feel like your phone. Step 7. Software. One UI timelines without the drama. S26 Ultra is set to ship with One UI 8.5, a bigger deal than 8.0, with more noticeable UI UX tweaks. For everyone asking about the S25 Ultra, One UI 8 is slated for September. Don't expect a full makeover this soon. Think polish pass, not who moved my buttons. One UI 7 already did a lot, and nobody wants to relearn their phone twice a year. I mean, unless your hobby is hunting for settings at 2 AM. That's the 6-pack of S26 Ultra updates. If you learned something or laughed once, even a nose exhale counts. counts, drop a like. And if you're rocking the S25 Ultra, tell me the one feature you want most in the 8.0 update coming in September. Love you all, see you in the next one.